Good morning, everyone. Hey, this is Nick at Monkey Business, and today had a friend that wanted to do the auto start stop eliminator on their Bronco Sport. System's really easy to take care of. Comes with everything you need from auto start stop, and the easiest thing is it's done right through the OBD port. Just got to unclip it and basically tie the auto start stop eliminator right into the factory harness and then back into the OBD port. So let me show you here. So there's the OBD port that's on a Bronco Sport. It's on the driver's side, obviously, in the very lower kick panel here. And you can see I've already got the wiring harness taken off here. Let's see if I can show you this. So this is it here. Sorry for the bad camera work, kind of hard to get to. And it has just basically one little button down here you press that will unhook it from the port itself. So once we get the auto start stop eliminator plugged into the factory harness here, then the other side of the goes right back into the port. So we've got the auto start stop eliminator plugged into that's the factory harness up here. Auto start stop eliminator starts here, comes down into here, and then the brains of it right here will remember that you've pressed the off button, and you'll never have to hit that button again. So we'll get this plugged back into the OBD port and show you how it works. So there's your OBD port here. There's the harness for the auto start stop eliminator. You have the little pigtail here, and what we'll probably end up doing, they give you some zip ties, and we will get that zip tied, you know, probably up here, just kind of out of the way, just so it doesn't hit you in the foot type of thing. And just, again, just a nice clean look. All right, now we're gonna give this thing a shot. Sorry for the sunlight. We're gonna start her up. As you can see, it says off, and I just started it. So if I turn this, auto start stop is activated, but press it again, it's off, and we'll check it here. We're going to turn off the vehicle. Okay, now we're going to restart, and she's still off, and I haven't had to press a button, so it remembers that they wanted it off. It's just that easy. Well, everyone, that is how you put an auto start stop delete on a Bronco Sport. You got to be a little bit of a contortionist to get back in there. They don't give you a lot of room. But yeah, it's once you unclip it, clip it all back in, it's just being able to put that receptacle back in there. So again, not bad. Probably would take someone maybe 10 minutes to do. So if you don't like your auto start stop constantly going on and off, look to the auto start stop eliminator, and be a great way to get rid of that. Thanks, guys.